What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks. Um, Finally back making videos on YouTube. So, a few things I have to discuss. First of all, why I've been absent from YouTube. Man, I've been playing games. I am hooked, or I was hooked on a game called The Outer Worlds, and I played it all the way from beginning to end. Loved it. I was supposed to start playing Red Dead Redemption yesterday. However, um, their launch was not as expected, and they're having a lots of issues with their launcher. Basically, I am unable to play the game. I was able to load it up, play it that first day, and then all of a sudden it wouldn't launch anymore. So anyway, I've contacted their support, and I might actually end up getting a refund until the game is fixed. Now, going on to the reason why you probably clicked on this video. As you can see, this is a fake account. It is starting at $30,000. And the reason for this is because I've been asked so many times already um, to show how to swing trade options. Now, I am going to be upfront. I don't like doing it. I personally don't do it. I am a scalper. I'm a day trader, so I trade basically that same day most of the time. If I swing trade anything, it is stocks, the actual stock, not the option. So for me trade, um, to swing trade options, I'm not gonna put my money at risk for that. So I came up with the idea. Okay, well, I'll show you how I do it. I have been successful at it. I just don't like doing it. Um, and I'll post it on YouTube, or I might even stream it sometimes, I guess. I'm not sure, but at least that way you guys can see how I do it, my method, and then how I get in and out so easily, or how I get in and out as far as um, my risk management. Sorry. Um, but yeah, so that's going to be the main purpose of this series on YouTube. I just want to make it clear it is a simulated account. You can read it up there, simulated account. It is not a real account. I want everybody to understand that I will not put my money on something I am not comfortable trading, and therefore I am not using real money to trade or to swing trade options. I will not swing trade options with my real money, period. So please understand that this is the reason why it's a paper trading account. It would be very dumb for me to trade something I'm not comfortable trading, or I don't like trading, just to show and then end up losing money or something like that. That very well could happen with a simulated account. I could end up losing money. Remember, I haven't been swing trading options since like 6 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. Um, I did really good swing trading Nvidia and some other ones, and I made pretty good money. And then I just decided to stick to scalping because that's what I do best, right? You want to stick with what you do best. So anyway, um, that was the second part of why I'm making this video and explaining my absence and telling you what my next series will be on YouTube. Also, um, YouTube subscribers, that hasn't grown, and I'm actually quite surprised because I am giving away money, literally giving away money. The last person that won money was Nanomix. I think that's what his name was, Nanomix. So yeah, he's always on the streams. Whenever I stream games, he always stops by, even if it's 5 minutes, says hi, and sure enough, luck has it, he ended up winning. It was picked at random, and he won. So it's only $100, but when I get to 200 subscribers, that will increase to $200. When I get to 300 subscribers, it will increase to $300, so on and so forth. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, who knows? I might give away a laptop. I don't know, whatever y'all want, something that you guys want, I'll get it for y'all, or just money. Who knows? Um, but yeah, that's basically the gist of this video. Again, I want to drive it to y'all's head. This is a paper account, simulated trading. I'm not putting my money in something I'm not doing constantly or I'm not used to doing. Um, all right, so yeah, that's it. Hopefully, you guys will tune in for the series. Hopefully, the YouTube will start growing. Follow me on the social medias, everywhere: Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like and subscribe, please, and make sure you leave a comment. If you're a streamer, leave a comment on the comment section with just your streaming name or whatever your stream name, whatever it is, because I like to jump into people's streams, random streams, and just donate money. So I don't see why nobody would do that, right? I haven't had very much luck with people doing it, and I'm surprised because I'm going around donating, $600, $700. I always want to be the top donator on people, so I usually donate about 10,000 bits, which is about 100 bucks, I think, 120 something dollars. Um, but yeah, so it's free money. Why not take it? It's like one of the only things in life that's free money, right? All you have to do is subscribe and like. So technically, it's not free money. You do have to do two minor little things: like, subscribe, and if you're a streamer, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. That's all it takes. All right. That's it. I'm out. Thank you so much. Peace.